Welcome to Technophoria. Today we bring you the top 3 list of power banks under Rs 2000. Well, this is the top 3 list. It doesn't mean the first wing at the top or the third wing at the bottom, it's just the list. Now we have already made a video on the top 3 list of power banks under 1000 rupees. If you want to check that out, the link will be given in the description. So moving on to the first product from our list is the power bank from Mi3i power bank. Well, this is a 20,000 mAh variant, and we have already reviewed the other variant that is of 10,000 mAh capacity in our previous video. Now this power bank comes in a plastic body, though we have seen metal body in its 10,000 mAh variant, and it weighs around 430 grams. Of course, it's not slim or light in any way, but that's what to expect from a bigger capacity power banks. It comes with a dual input, that is micro USB and type C, and it has triple output USB ports. Yeah, it got 3 USB outputs, which is really good for charging multiple devices at once. It comes with a 18 watt fast charging and also has a low power charging mode, ideal for low power devices like smartwatch, fitness band, etc. It comes with 12 layer circuit protection, which is good for your device. It also increases the device charging efficiency. It comes with 6 months warranty. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it has got 3 USB output ports and 2 input ports, micro USB and type C. Comes with 18 watt fast charging. It also has a low power charging mode, and it is made in India. Now moving on to the cons. Surface texture feels a bit slippery. Again, it has a brushed metal design on it. It's a bit bulky. Next we have the smart score. Starting with look and feel, 3.5/5, because yeah, again it looks basic. Durability 4/5, features 4/5, value for money 4.5/5. Priced at 1699 or 1700 rupees. Just to be sure, the price keeps on changing, so ensure the latest price before buying any product. If you want to buy this product, the product link is given in the description. Now moving on to the second product from our list is the power bank from Urban. Inspired by the unstoppable armed forces, this power bank definitely stands out with the way it looks. With a thickness around 2.7 centimeters, it's certainly not the slimmest one, but weighs just around 350 grams. It definitely feels comfortable to hold, and the soft rubberized texture definitely helps. Though it's made up of plastic, but it feels robust. It comes with amazing 22.5 watt fast charging, but it requires a compatible cable and device that supports the same. It has one USB output and one type C output. Also, this type C output acts as input port, so basically you get 2 output ports but 1 input port. It is BIS certified and it's travel friendly, and it comes with a 12 layer circuit protection and has a 1-year warranty, which is great because other brands just offer 6 months. It comes with 2 color options, that is blue and camo. My favorite being the camo. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros. Lightweight considering the power capacity. 22.5 watt fast charging. 12 layer circuit protection. BIS certified. Soft texture surface, feels comfortable on holding. And it's made in India. Now moving on to the cons. Some features spacing like no low power charging mode for charging your low power devices. It has got only 1 input port. Well, I'm just pointing this out because now every competition in the market comes with 2 input ports. Now moving to the smart score. Look and feel 4.5/5. Durability 4.5/5. Features 4.5/5. Value for money 4.5/5. It is priced at 1549, or you can say 1550 rupees. And if you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. Use that link to buy that product and it will help our channel grow. Now moving on to the third product from our list. These power banks come from Redmi 20,000 mAh lithium polymer power bank. This power bank is around 2.7 centimeters thick and weighs around 450 grams. So definitely it is not the slimmest nor the lightest, but its anti-slip rubberized texture definitely feels comfortable to hold. The look is simplistic, which can be good for many users. It has got a 18 watt fast charging. It comes with 2 output USB ports and 2 input ports, that is micro USB and type C. It has also got 12 layer circuit protection, which enhances charging efficiency and keeps your device safe. It also has a low power charging mode for charging your low power devices, It comes with a 6 months of warranty and comes in two color options, that is black and white. Now moving on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it has got two input ports, that is micro USB and type C. Also got a low power charging mode. It has got an anti-slip texture for better grip, 12 layer circuit protection, 18 watt fast charging, and it's made in India. Now moving on to the cons, it's a bit bulky with 450 grams of weight. Now let's see the smart score. Look and feel 4/5, durability 4.5/5, features 4/5, and value for money 4.5/5. It comes with a price tag of 1500 rupees or 1499 to be precise. And if you want to buy this product, the product link is given in the description. Now these are our top 3 recommendations of power banks under rupees 2000. Which one is your favorite? Do let us know in the comment section. And if you got any suggestion for another product, and if you have any other power bank in your mind, do let us know in the comment section below. If you have found this video useful, do like the video and share this video with your friends and family. Well, this channel is new, so please support us in this journey. You can check out our Facebook page as well. Link will be given in the description. And we post new video every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.